This is our portable outdoor wood burner, the Ruby. It's a great little thing to take with you when you're camping or just to use every day on your off-grid property. It's also something that you can use anywhere you're not allowed open fires. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to cook a nice little meal for myself at the same time. This guy's nice and easy to light, just like any other fire. Today, I'm using natural fire starters, fat wood, and some charcoal. So now that that's going, I'm going to leave the door wide open and the top off just to get it nice and hot in there. And then when those coals light, I'll close the door and adjust the vent, and away we go. So while I'm waiting to get a nice hot bit of coals in here, I'm going to chuck this top plate on and we can get a cuppa going. Alright, the water's hot. We're going to make some coffee and then swap over to the grill. Beautiful. Get this bad boy off. Very careful with that. Chuck the grill on. Let's make some lunch. I'm going to close that vent a little bit so it doesn't get too hot. And away we go. Alright, these took about 10 minutes, same time as if you're doing them in the pan. And now, with the cooking all done, I can take the grate off, close that vent, let that fuel burn itself out, self-extinguish, and then when it cools down, I can use the little inbuilt ashtray, clean it all out, nice and easy, pack it straight back down inside itself.